Welcome to the Set to Lead podcast, the Be Better Daily Edition. Also, remember to subscribe to this channel for new video updates. So you fancy yourself an effective manager? Well, that's great. But let's see if you check the boxes. First up, results. Know what's expected and how to measure it. Because without results, you're just the office DJ, playing background music while everyone else works. Next, love your team. Not in a weird way, but enough to remember their kids' names. Because apparently, knowing your team 1 standard deviation better can skyrocket your results 2 standard deviations higher. Who knew math could be so heartwarming? Now your team might not think you're the next stand-up comedy star, but they do need to trust you. So, chat about their cat's birthday or their home renovation project progress. Trust, it's 40% of the battle. Feedback time. Everyone wants it, just like everyone wants to be a millionaire. But here's the kicker. It's not about dredging up the past like a bad breakup. It's about shaping the future. 30% of your managerial magic, to be exact. And hey, stress is part of the job. Not the end of quarter kind, but the I believe you can do more kind. Push your team to grow, because that's 15% of your charm. Delegation is not a dirty word. Then mine. It's a way to multiply your effectiveness, and who doesn't love a good bargain? One-on-ones are your weekly coffee dates with your team. 30 minutes of pure, undiluted attention. Let them speak first and take notes like you're writing the next bestseller. And get this, one-on-ones are not micromanaging, they're care managing. It's like telling your plant when you'll water it next. Necessary and appreciated. Email out those one-on-one invites like you're throwing a party, but the only thing on the menu is productivity. And remember, friends at work are like dessert. Nice to have, but not essential for a meal. When it comes to feedback, think of it as a nudge towards brilliance, not a highlight reel of blunders. And start with a chuckle, not a frown. After all, this isn't a courtroom drama. Here's the feedback formula. Ask, state, impact, encourage. It's like teaching someone to dance. Lead gently and applaud their steps. Coaching isn't just for sports. Set goals, brainstorm resources, and make a game plan. But don't be the overbearing coach who takes over the game. Let your team play their positions. Finally, delegation. It's the managerial art of cloning yourself without the sci-fi drama. Delegate to strengths, interests, and areas for growth. It's like matchmaking, but for tasks and talents. In conclusion, being an effective manager isn't about having a shiny title or a swanky office. It's about getting results, building trust, and pushing for growth, all while remembering that little Timmy's soccer game is this Saturday. Got it, boss? Now go forth and manage like a pro.